An extension pack is a way to install multiple extensions. And it allows you to share all your favorite extensions with other Visual Studio users, or to bundle a set of extensions for a particular scenario. They're also really easy to create. So let me show you how to do it. I'll start by creating a new project. Let's search for extension pack to find that template. And then give our extension a name. I'm calling it My Themes because I want to create a theme pack. That will create a very simple little project, and it's opening a JSON file with a file extension of VSIX. This is where I define what extension goes in my extension pack. So now I can go to the marketplace and find the extensions I want, and simply just copy the ID for each of those extensions, go back to my VSIX file, and paste that in. I'm also typing in the name so I can tell the difference between the different extensions. Once that's done, all that's left is to compile the project. When the compilation is done, I can open the output folder to find my extension that is the output. And it's right here, it's a VSIX file. Double-clicking that will start the Visual Studio extension installer. And it recognizes this is an extension pack and presents the end user with a bunch of checkboxes, one for each of the available extensions. And the user can now choose which one of them, if not all of them, they want to install. So as you can see, it's very easy to create an extension pack. And you can turn any extension into an extension pack by simply adding a VSIX JSON file to the root of your project. That's all there is to it.